I couldn't recommend a J5 enough, as it's more than paid for itself in the last 12 months.
The speed, the accuracy is just next level. The amount of work that we produce today, we need at least 3 times more the amount of staff.
The J5 has massively improved our workflow from being able to move away from the traditional methods. TrueDent's a great resin. It's really helping bring life to dentures.
Here at Bant Dental, we like to think of ourselves as a forward-thinking company. When I started back in 1990, everything was analogue based, but as time went on, slowly digital started to creep in, and as it stands today, we are 95% digital.
So over the last couple of years, we've had a massive growth. The business as a whole started out in Wales as a small laboratory. We opened up a separate facility in Macclesfield. Since then, we've grown even more. We've moved into a new facility here in Macclesfield, which is now pretty much our full laboratory. In the lab, we've got some really high-end machinery. We knew we needed to up our game in the printing world, and we came across the J5 for the first time, I think, at the DTS in 2024. From seeing it instantly, we knew it was something that we were really keen on.
We bought the J5 specifically to print dentures. When we first had it though, TrueDent wasn't in the UK at the time, so we were using it to print models, implant models, guides and special trays, you name it. But the beauty of it was we could print them all on one run, all on the same run. We could print colour models. The accuracy of the implant models was absolutely perfect. Since the TrueDent arrived in the UK now, we use it specifically for printing dentures, which are absolutely fantastic. As a CDT, coming from an analogue background, when we went to digital, I was sceptical at first, but now I just wouldn't go back to doing it the analogue way. The mess, the time, it's just mind-blowing.
The ability to print different parts at the same time in different materials, such as surgical guides, dentures, models, and removing that luting step just helped our workflow massively. It's improved it 100%.
So here at Bant Dental we have a wide range of different 3D printers, but for me personally, having used all of them, the J5 is easily the most reliable. So one of the great things about the GrabCAD software is the auto arrange button, which saves so much time. Just click the button and the software will arrange all your STL files to print in the most efficient manner. So I just wanted to show you guys a couple of examples of dentures that we've printed here at Bant Dental using the J5. So these two are straight off the printer. This is how they look. And then moving on to here, these are finished and polished. So you can really see the texture in the gingiva here. With the J5, everything always prints flawlessly.
We've been printing dentures for a number of years now, where we'll design them, print the base and teeth separately, then we have to spend time luting them together. Whereas now we have the J5, it prints in one go. Coming from a background of analogue dentures, I've found that TrueDent denture resin is on a par with analogue dentures, if not better. The ability to print in colour is next level in my mind. You can alter the colour of the gingiva, you can give it depth, you can add translucency onto the tips of the teeth. The teeth have actually got depth and they look fantastic. Now that we've ended up 95% digital based, I implore other labs to embrace the digital era. It's coming, you can't stop it. And I feel that if I hadn't have started embracing it nearly 20 years ago now, I wouldn't be where I am today.
We're really proud as a business to have embraced the Stratasys technology and been one of the first companies to have this technology in the UK. I think it's really brought us to the forefront of the market with the high-end technology we've got, and also helps us improve our lab-to-lab service of printing. Working with SYS since we first met them at the DTS has been great. The support with the printer since we've had it has been second to none. For us as a business, There's only one UK reseller of Stratasys, and that's SYS. So if anyone is interested in getting on board with this technology, then I'd get in touch with SYS.